Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Market Mondays. We know we've taken a little hiatus for you, but we've been working on some great things here at Black Market Exchange, which we're actually going to talk about towards the end of the video. Today, we got a great episode for you, and it's actually brought to you by Doc Designs, which is actually a web design development company. We'll be sure to plug that in at the end of this video as well. But this week's Market Mondays, we're going to be touching on Blue Cross and Blue Shield and their deal going on with Cigna. That's the health insurance companies, as well as what's happening with Facebook, the Fiat Chrysler company, and the oh-so-shiny commodity gold. Now, first company that we have to talk about is Anthem with the ticker symbol ANTM. Yes, that's Blue Cross and Blue Shield. If you didn't know, now you know. They've recently been busy because they bought out Cigna Healthcare Insurance Company for almost $54 billion, and Cigna has a ticker symbol CI. Now, if you remember, Aetna just bought out Humana for $37 billion. So in the grand scheme of things, this is actually narrowing down these insurance companies for the healthcare sector that people like you and I are going to be participating in. Now, this merger is actually going to serve collectively 53 million people to get them well. Now, the deal is expected to close around this time next year, and actually Anthem used to be WellPoint and started trading under this current ticker symbol, and the stock is up 20% since then, back in December of last year. Cigna is up 45% in that very same time frame. Now, if many of you haven't been watching, Facebook stock has been on a tear lately. The stock is up 20% in the past 3 months, and the stock is up 150% total since its IPO back in 2011. Now, that was just a short tidbit for all you out there concerning what's going on with Facebook. We're coming right back to you about Fiat Chrysler as well as gold after this message. Are you in need with some help for a small, intimate gathering for you and your significant other? Maybe you need some help with a birthday theme, your wedding, or even a corporate function. Well, Amplified Events is here to help you form memory-making moments. Yes, with their 6-point action plan, they're going to assess, create, team build, itinerary creation, optimization, and finally, nailing your event. Make sure to check out their website at www.amplified-events.com and sign up for your free consultation today. Once again, that's www.amplified-events.com and get your free consultation today. Now, for those of you who may not know, the automotive industry has some great footing in terms of the U.S. economy, particularly with General Motors, Ford, and Fiat Chrysler in the automotive industry. They account for 3% of the U.S. economy's total manufacturing. Man, that's a lot of market share in terms of with just those 3 companies. Now, auto sales have been up 60% since 2010, which is a good sign for the economy. Now, in the grand scheme of things, General Motors is actually down with their stock price 11% in the past year. Ford is down 17% in the past year, and Fiat Chrysler is actually up 67% since the 2 companies, Fiat and Chrysler, merged back in October. Lastly, we have the illustrious commodity in gold. Now, the price of gold is actually down 40% since 2011, which is its lowest price in the past 5 years. Now, many investors have been losing money with gold, but a lot of investors have been banking on the long term now by buying the dip as well as shorting gold and taking profits off of the price of gold going down. It's strange enough to say, but people are actually making money on the price going down simply because somebody's always buying. That concludes this week's Market Mondays. We hope it was helpful in terms of the information, and maybe you get a little bit of something that you didn't know that was going on out there in the stock market. Now, we mentioned about something that we have going on, and of course, that's our PIN consulting. Now, when you think about a PIN, you think about, to get into your bank, your ATM code to get some money out to withdraw or even deposit. Well, we're coming up with a plan called What's Your PIN, or PIN Consulting, where basically we're going to give you a PIN, or it's for your personal investment needs, and myself or our team is going to help you develop a plan in terms of investing. Now, we're not going to be advising. We're not going to directly just say, oh, go buy this, go buy that, because that's not what we do. We're all about the education. But we will teach you how to find what to buy, how to hold, how to buy for short term, long term. It's all going to be personalized. That's why it's called your PIN, based on what you need as an investor for your lifestyle. And we also will be offering it for investment clubs and groups as well. Also check out Doc Designs. They actually just designed a couple platforms out there. Check out this email right now. If you need a website, some web development, the website is going to be dropping very soon, so you can see some of those works as well. If you need a website, holler at Doc Design. Peace.